Metzenbaum dissecting scissors are used for dissecting and cutting tissue. These scissors are not recommended for cutting sutures, drains, or heavy tissue. These scissors come in straight or curved. GerVet offers Metzenbaum dissecting scissors with the selection of special features to meet procedure specifications and surgeon preferences. Standard stainless steel are the most commonly used scissors. Tungsten carbide scissors have carbide insert blades with gold handles. Carbide inserts are much harder than standard stainless steel. Black handle supercut scissors have a lower micro-serrated blade and an upper razor-sharp blade. Black and gold handle scissors have tungsten carbide insert blades that are made of a much harder metal than standard steel scissors. They have a lower micro-serrated blade and an upper razor-sharp blade. For more information, call, email, or visit our website.